Before I start the video, I just want to thank Audra Brooks and Michaela for sending fan mail. Thank you so much. You will be entered into the competition. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, it's Crystal here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a review package and a package from Tie-Dyed Squishy. And before I start this video, I just want to remind you guys to go subscribe down below and check out my giveaway. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So this review package is from Pepper Cha-Cha. She is a Thai YouTuber and she sent me her squishy to review. So she designed this squishy and yeah, she just sent me it to review. So she did include some extras. They are Thai candy. And she also included a note. I will try to link all of her social medias in the description. Definitely check her out. So here's the squishy that I am reviewing. The packaging is so adorable. It is a Choco sheet, but it is the orange version. The packaging is so adorable. This is again the orange version and it smells exactly like oranges. And I actually have the normal Choco sheet version. So this is the normal version and this is the orange version. Again, thank you so much Pepper Cha-Cha for sending me this squishy. It is so amazing. I definitely recommend it to you guys. And definitely go check out her YouTube channel. I will link it in the description. And yeah, let's get on to the Tie-Dyed Squishy package. So Tie-Dyed Squishy is a former YouTuber and she created a store on me to sell some of her squishies, so I purchased one. So she gave me some candy extras and a Cafe Dien. I don't know what this is, but it is super, super cute. Thank you so much, Tie-Dyed Squishy, for these extras. The squishy that I purchased is this Meek the Meerkat. It is by Delightful Boutique. This squishy is so adorable. I absolutely love this squishy. Thank you so much to Tie-Dyed Squishy again for this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and again, make sure to subscribe and check out my giveaway. And again, thank you to Pepper Cha-Cha and Tie-Dyed Squishy. And yeah, bye guys!